Welcome back. Let's talk a little bit about how you're going to use C2C on a daily basis as you interact. We'll have a couple of videos on this. The basics are, I'm right now in the forum index page. I can do this from the home page or the forum page. And I'm going into a forum. So we're just going to go into this forum called Academic. When I click on it, it opens my window and I'm inside that forum or conference. It will tell me what forum I'm in with this breadcrumb here. Forum, academic, that's what we clicked on. If it has subforums, when you have the down arrow here, you can click and very quickly go to a subforum. And then that breadcrumb will change to show that you're in the forum called academic and now in Blackboard. Let's go back to academic. So on the left side, we see a list of the notes. The author, the date. We can sort by author, we can sort by date, we can sort by title, and we can go back to the default, which is by thread. When we click on a note, we read it on the right side. We click on another note, we read it on the right side. We can use these arrows to move through the notes as well, back and forth. The right side is called My Workspace. It's called My Workspace because we view and read our notes on the right side. We also edit and or reply or create a new note on the right side. So we work in it. And we work in it, and you will see this more clearly, because we can bring things constantly in it. The left side can change, while the right side is always that same place where we're initiating a reply. So right now, if I just click on About Academic, the very first note, and reply to it, it opens up the reply note, and now we have a blank page on the right side that we could copy and paste and or drag and drop that information over. Sometimes we want to refer to some of the information or text that somebody has written. We can italicize it, delete, and continue to write whatever it is we want to write. We always want to ensure we put a title into the title box, otherwise we can't save it. We can also drag and copy and paste and or drag the link over in terms of where the reference was. It always goes to where your cursor is. So you use your spacing on your keyboard to decide how you want to format that. But this link now, when I save this, will link back to that academic note. This is very useful for you community members to be able to very quickly go back to a note that you're referencing about some sort of idea that you are replying to, and or editing, and or creating a new note on. So this happens in any note. I can open any other note while I'm here, while the editing window is open. I can open, I can close as I choose, and I can drag any one of these, the text and or the link over to either refer to the text, which is tracked, or the actual text itself. This comes in very, very handy when we're actually trying to refer something to a different forum, not the forum that we're in or we're replying to. So I can go to another forum. There's a couple of ways you can do that. I can click on the down arrow and go to a different forum. So I'm going here to a different forum, and now we're in the forum that is different, called Forum SCS Desktop. We're still in My Workspace Academic. I'm still in the editing window. I can look at these notes, let's say if there's something in there, and drag that information over. I can also drag that link over. Again, just put the cursor where you want, or do a carriage return, and then it formats the page. At that point, I can save it. So we'll carry on.